Ngiyakutshena kuthiwa lalela muntu omnyama, the truth shall set you free. It's time for the truth. It's time for the youth ukuthi ihlale phansi. It's time to speak into enempilo kubantu instead of constantly feeding them ama-distractions.
Yebo, he needs no introduction. I call him my president. I don't know who do you call him. Zero inkinga, zero amafirifiri, zero amanyomfonyomfo kodwa kusalayo. He is my president and watch out for the space because this is coming to you live on the Meaningful Conversations with Zanele Mfeka. It's a brand new segment. What is the name of the segment?
Youth Parliament. isifikile.
Yebo.
Asiqale. Let's do it,
Youth
man.
Parliament. Sikhuluma ngani ku-Youth Parliament?
We are going to engage with the greats. Sihlale phansi nabo. We are going to make sure ukuthi we educate abantu on the system. We educate abantu on education itself, the education system. We're going to make sure ukuthi abantu know about politics and they know about izinto that are meant to distract umuntu omnyama so that we help to create a generational wealth. If umuntu omnyama knows about money, then umuntu omnyama une future. If umuntu omnyama knows about his political system, where it stands, then une future. Because right now, see lost. Bayabhema, bayaphuza. Let's change that. For once, I will put me content efundisayo. For once, I will uzwe your own hero.